Guys, today I fancy a sandwich for lunch, and you know I don't do things by half, so if I'm going to make a sandwich, it's going to be a beautiful sandwich. I've got some chorizo, some ham. You're going to love this one. Let's do it. Right, I'm going to start by just preparing my salad. That's going to go into my sandwich. So I've got some cucumber here, which we're just going to slice up into small bite-sized pieces. Because I'm going to eat the sandwich straight away, I'm not going to remove the watery part of the cucumber, but however, if I was going to make it for a bunch of people and then we were going to eat it later, I'd definitely remove the water content. Same with the tomatoes, I'll take all the water out, otherwise it'll just get all sludgy and it'll soak your bread straight in. Already, look, it looks lovely, just cucumber and tomato, you know. Raw ingredients sometimes just look so good. Right, I've got some olives here with some that are stuffed with peppers, and you've seen me do olives before. I like them with a lot of texture. I don't want a full olive in my sandwich. That's going to taste a lot better than just biting into one whole olive, in my opinion. Right, and we've got some canned sweet corn here, which is being drained. Going to add that. Right, let's have a look. How are we looking? Just look at those colours. Straight away, no salt, no pepper, no seasoning. Just look at that. It's a symphony of flavours. Just look at that. Look, colour, salt, pepper, lemon juice, just a touch, and just a touch, just a tiny drizzle of olive oil. Wonderful. And look at it, beautiful. Right, okay, let's get the other parts of our sandwich ready. Okay, good bread. Yeah, you've got to have good bread. So I've got this good sourdough, and I'm just going to start with my beautiful cream cheese. This is Boursin garlic and herb cream cheese. It's outstanding stuff, so much flavor. You just got to keep this in your fridge, and it's going to help you pimp up so many dishes. It's just a hit of flavor. And just spread it liberally onto your good bread. Get it on there. Wonderful. And I'm going to go for the other side as well. Great, so that's just a nice base. You've got good bread and garlic and herb cream cheese. Right, so that's a good base for a sandwich. Now I'm going to just add a touch of lettuce. Not too much, this is just for crunch. Right, at this stage I'm just going to give it a touch more lemon juice. And that's just a personal preference for me. Just a hit of pepper, trust me, makes all the difference. Then we're going to go in with our chorizo. Pile it on, this stuff is amazing. Love chorizo. Okay, chorizo on. Then we go on with our good quality cured ham. And I like texture with my ham, so don't be afraid to like roll it up. Right, we go on liberally with our salad. There will be a little bit of wastage here, there will be some mess. Some of that salad will fall off the edges, that's fine, it's okay. We'll pick that up and we'll have it afterwards, but you just right now I just want to pile it on. Don't worry, we're not going to waste any of these tomatoes or anything, that's all going to sit, and we're going to have that as a side salad with our sandwich. Look at that, just like that, just going to look wonderful. Okay, then we're going to top with our other piece of bread, which is coated with lemon juice, which is going to help dress that salad. And then we're going to push down. And yeah, we're going to get some of that salad's going to fall out. It's fine. We've accounted for that. We know that's going to happen. Right, now we're going to get some butter, and we're just going to butter the top of our bread. Right, and we've got a hot pan here, which we're just going to drizzle with just a touch of olive oil, not too much, okay? And then now you have to be a little bit careful here. We're going to go in. Right, you got your bread, you got your sandwich, and we're going to go flip. Beautiful. And just going to slowly let that come up to heat and just let it do its thing. And what's going to happen is that butter is going to char, it's going to crisp up. Right, okay, while our bread crisps up on that side, I'm just going to butter this side and get that ready for the next stage. And my sweet corn that's fallen out of the sandwich is just on the side here. That's crisping up. I don't mind that at all. That's all going to be flavor, that's going to be texture. Okay, right, let's give this sandwich a flip. Beautiful. That bread's looking good. Just protect your sandwich. Any of the ingredients that have fallen out, don't worry about it, you'll get them back in. You'll get that salad back in. Right guys, don't worry too much about the sweet corn and the little bits and pieces which have fallen out. Those are going to go straight back in. You just want to get a nice toast and a nice butteriness on that bread. If you just want to just listen to that sandwich, look at that crust. That's why you don't put it in the toaster, that's why you butter it in the frying pan. Because you don't get that crust in the toaster. Okay, this is ready to come out of the pan and back on our board. So once again, nice and confident, out of the pan, onto our board. Okay. So we lift, right, and we redress our sandwich with that beautiful salad, which is now warmed through. Okay, then we place our bread back onto our sandwich. Right, let's slice into our masterpiece here. Right, and there you have it. Oh, would you look at that? Beautiful. And here's my ham, chorizo, cream cheese and salad sandwich. If you're gonna do a sandwich, do it properly. Don't mess about. Right guys, there you have it. This is my ham, chorizo and cream cheese sandwich with an epic salad and toasted sourdough bread. I don't do boring food, I don't do bland food. It's all about big, bold flavors, well balanced. And even if you're gonna make a sandwich, make sure you do it properly. Guys, I'm gonna get stuck into this, but before I do, please, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're enjoying our content, hit the subscribe button. We're releasing videos 7 days a week. Hit that notification bell and show us some love. Right, I'm gonna get stuck into this. It's so buttery and so perfectly crisp on the outside, but soft on the inside. I know that's gonna be like one of the best elements. I just don't understand why anyone would go to Subway, ever, when you can make it yourself 10 times better. Right guys, we knocked this one out of the park. I love sandwiches, and when I make one, I make it properly. Best part of this sandwich is taking that little bit of effort with the salad. It enhances the whole thing. The cream cheese, the different meats, richness from the chorizo, the meatiness from the ham, a beautiful salad on good bread. You just can't go wrong. Guys, this isn't just delicious. This is Sunny's effing delicious. Well happy with that. Really good actually.